Here we go. I think my thing turned off on me. Hey, little squirrelies. Yeah, wildlife in my backyard back here. They playing around back here. It's about 3 or 4 of them. These little squirrelies jumping around. Let me see. What are you? Oh, they gone. They gone, y'all. Okay. Now I got this sled back on. Remember, the one with the weight on it is the top bolt. Put a little lube on there or whatever. And a siege. Line it up. Okay, that one's started. The bottom bolt. Lock the vice grips on there. Everything won't turn. $13mm on here. Turn this down this way. Remember, you don't want it too tight. You want it snug. Give it a little extra push right there. Once you get the vice grips locked on, tighten it on back down. You're good to go. You don't have to torque those bolts or anything. And yeah, brakes is pretty simple. The back brakes are a little bit more difficult. You have to electronically. They're the electronic. How can I say this? You need a couple of a little machine to actually do the back brakes because they're ran by electronics, and you have to shut off the park brake and all that stuff, and or you can really mess something up on it. So that's a little bit more difficult. I'll have to show you a video on that one later. But yeah. So other than that, it's pretty simple to do front brakes. This is just the same way as doing any other vehicle. 2 bolts, and actually you really don't have to take the top bolt out. You can just loosen it up, take the bottom bolt out, and you can just turn this up and put the brake pads in here where they're supposed to be at, and that's it. Thanks for watching.